I'm Lindsay Garver, and I'm a PhD student in the lab of Dr. George Dimopoulos at the Johns Hopkins School of Public Health. And I'm going to be showing you how to do RNAi-mediated silencing of genes using an injection technique. So the first step is to collect the mosquitoes that we're going to be injecting. These are just stock Anopheles gambiae. It's a mixture of males and females. And this is our battery-powered aspirator. It has a fan inside which will create suction, drawing the mosquitoes up through this nozzle into this reservoir. So we unplug. We have a small access door which is typically taped to keep the mosquitoes inside. But we open it and insert the nozzle. Turn it on and use to collect. Once we have the mosquitoes inside, we plug the top of the nozzle. See the mosquitoes there in the reservoir. Then we want to anesthetize these mosquitoes, so we bury this reservoir in an ice bucket. We cover with ice and wait for the mosquitoes to go down. The next step is to inject the mosquitoes, and to use that we'll be using this, which is a NanoJect 2. It consists of a wand portion, which